This award bestowed on me today by the NUT, Nigerian Union of Teachers, Ogbomosho North Branch, is hereby dedicated to teachers and tutors in Ogbomosho North in particular, and Oyo State in general.
Today we are witnessing what we called educative word search race and a presentation of awards to deserving individuals in our society. We have here distinguished personalities, the likes of the distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Fatai Omotayo Buhari, who is represented by his right-hand man, Oladeji Noah Bello. We have the former Honorable, so the House of Assembly Oyo State, Honorable Oladeji. There are three things we are doing today. The first thing is to appreciate those who are going more than other individuals. I mean, those who are committed to education development in our society. As we know, education is not something only the government can dabble into and have full success. But when you have an individual or an organization who is committed to helping the government to make education progress, such an individual organization needs to be appreciated. And that's what we are doing here today, to give them a word of recognition, a word of excellence, and a word of appreciation.
Of the Nigerian Union of Teachers, Ogbomosho non-local government branch, I'm highly honored to present this award of excellence to Honorable Bimbo, Olawumi, Oladeji, as teachers advocates. Thank you for your unwavering support, unrelenting effort, dedicated service, devotion and commitment to the development of education in our society. Congratulations.
Teachers, you are the gap between the present and the future. Society relies on you. Do not disappoint the society. We are proud of you. And I want to tell you today that I, Honorable Mrs. Bimbo, Olawumi, Oladeji, will forever remain under your tutelage. You brought me up from tender age to this level. You taught me how to read and write. And once again, let me tell you again, that feel free to invite me anytime, any day. You are my person and I'm your person. We're together and forever be together. Forget about politics. I was born here and raised here. Ogbomosho is my place of birth. I will forever be here with you. This award bestowed on me today by the NUT, Nigerian Union of Teachers, Ogbomosho North Branch, is hereby dedicated to teachers and tutors in Ogbomosho North in particular, and Oyo State in general.